Hello and welcome. I'm Kristy-Lea. I'm a tech expert and also your online business consultant. Now, on today's video, I'm actually going to be answering one of your questions, which comes from Kara. And Kara's question was, how do I upload a PDF into Canva? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to upload a PDF into Canva without having to recreate your PDF inside of Canva. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you and I'm going to walk you step by step as we go through this topic today. So feel free to send me your questions and I would love to be able to do a video in answering your question for you so you can actually see step by step how to accomplish it. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come to this website. It's called PDF, the number 2, JPG.net. So you're going to come to this website and the very first thing you're going to do is see this kind of, well, it looks kind of wacky. Let's just put it that way. But don't worry, we just need to convert our PDF into a JPEG in order to get it into Canva. So this is our first step. Then when you get onto this page, you're going to see this over here to the right-hand side says JPG quality. We want to change this to excellent 300 DPI. That's going to give us the best quality that we can get inside of our JPEG from our PDF. So make sure that you take that step first. The next thing you're going to do is go ahead and choose a PDF file. So I have one ready here that I got ready for this tutorial, and this is just my social media guidebook that my members in my tech membership have access to. So if you want access to that, feel free to go and grab that as well. And then the next thing we're going to do is convert the PDF to JPEG. So we're going to hit the button right here that says convert PDF to JPEG. And you'll see that the bar across there will start to do its thing, and then it will let us know our document has been converted. And over here to the right, we're going to see the JPEG pictures as individual files. So mine shows 8, but if you have more pages, it's going to show more pages. And for this particular tutorial and time-wise, I'm going to keep it down to, I'm only going to download 2 of the 8 pages in my particular PDF. So here we have page 1, and you can see it's all the way through page 8. We're going to just simply hit the download button. You can also view it if you so choose, but we're going to download. You're going to hit the download button, and I highly suggest that you label this as something that you can find quickly, and also put the page, because we want to make sure that we know what page number goes in what order. So go ahead and download all of your images. I'm downloading just 2 pages here for you so we can see how to do this. And then once you have all of those downloaded, your next step is to go ahead and open your Canva account. Once you're inside your Canva account, you're going to choose letter. I'm going to go inside there. And we're going to go ahead and upload our images that we just created by converting our PDF into a JPEG. So let's go and hit uploads. And just so you know, if your Canva account looks a little different than mine, that's just simply because I have a paid Canva account. So don't fret if you're like, Kristy-Lea, mine doesn't look like that. Don't worry. It's just because I have a paid account. So you're going to upload your media, and you can see we hit uploads and then we upload the media, and we chose it from our computer. I have my 2 pages here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drop those into the blank canvas that we have here. There are 2 ways that you can do this. You can simply click, which is going to go ahead and put it in, and then you just have to adjust to match the page size. Okay. So you're just gonna adjust that and match the page size. We kind of went a little big there. Okay, let's just say that's what we want. So that's one way. And the other way is to hold your mouse down and drag it across. And then you can see that's gonna fill the whole page. We can just drop it in, and then we can just adjust the page as we need. So that's a little bit easier. It goes a little bit faster. So yes, that is what we are looking for. So now you have your first page. You're going to hit add page, and we're going to add our second page into there. So we go ahead and add our second page, whichever version you want, by click or by drag. And we're going to go ahead and do that. And the next thing that you're going to do, now that you have this in here, I'm going to let you know you cannot edit it. So if you're uploading a PDF in the hopes that you can edit what it is that you're putting up here, I'm going to let you know that unfortunately you can't do that, but you can add to it. So let's say, for example, we want to add, you know, we don't have down here our little copyright. We could go ahead, add a little bit of text, add our copyright, which I do actually have on my PDF, but just to show you, and you can see we can add that text there. We can also add some elements if we want to. So let's just see these little fall looking elements. Maybe there's something cool we want to add in there. I don't know, let's pick this rose just because. So we can go ahead and add that little element wherever we want. And maybe we want to add it up here or something. And then I would have to shift that over, make this a little bit smaller. Whoop. Alrighty. So we added our little rose, and we can also add any, you know, photos, additional text. We could add a video. So where this might come in handy and why you might want to use this, because I know you're probably like, well, why would I want to do that? Let's just say, for example, we're talking about a specific course inside of here. We could add our little image, and this is just an image from my course Creation Made Easy. And let's just say that's the call to action we have inside of our PDF, okay? Just pretending. And we want people to be able to click on this. Well, inside of Canva, what we can do is we could click on that image, and then we can go over to here and add a link. So we can go ahead and add that link in there, and then people who have this PDF, they can go ahead and click on that link. So I want you to know that while you can't actually edit the PDF, you can still at least upload the PDF into Canva by creating it into a JPEG, just as I showed you. Next, you're going to download this PDF so that you can share it. And you can see we would pick PDF print. This is the best option for printing because it will be the clearest that you can get. And then you would download it and it will just turn right back into a PDF. So that is essentially how you take a PDF, upload it into Canva, and then be able to utilize it in Canva. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ding that bell, because I want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my new tutorial videos that come out along the way. I generally put out 4 tutorial videos a month, and they are generally around design and technology and how to utilize the technology in your online business. So look below this video in the comment section or in the description section for the links you're going to need in order to be able to do this step by step. And don't forget, send me your questions and I'd love to be able to make them into tutorials for you. And you can do that in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.